In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TikTok Ads Credit. If you've recently received an ads credit and you're unsure how to redeem it and get started with your campaigns on TikTok, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step guide on how to make the most of your TikTok Ads Credit. Let's begin by heading over to the TikTok Ads platform. You can find this easily by searching for TikTok Ads on your preferred search engine or by typing ads.tiktok.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, the website will welcome you with open arms, inviting you to log in. Click on the login button. If this is your first time accessing TikTok ads, you'll be prompted to enter some details. Fill in your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to create one so you can follow along. After entering your credentials, hit the login button again. You might be asked to verify your identity with a CAPTCHA. It's a simple step to ensure you're not a robot. Complete the CAPTCHA, click confirm, and you're on your way deeper into the TikTok ads universe. Now let's take a security step. You'll receive a code sent directly to your email address. This extra layer of protection ensures that only you can access your account. Find that code in your inbox, enter it on the TikTok ads site, and you're all set. Navigate to the campaigns tab. Here is where the magic starts. You're stepping into the control room of your advertising saga on TikTok. Click on the Create button to start shaping your campaign. Setting up your advertising objective is crucial. It tells TikTok what you want to achieve with your ad campaign. Whether it's driving traffic to your website, getting more app installs, or simply spreading the word about your brand, select the objective that best fits your goals. Next, we're talking budgets. It's time to decide how much you're willing to spend. Setting a budget keeps your advertising spending under control. Select the budget for your ad and move forward. Click on Continue to enter the exciting world of ad groups. Here you will need to give your ad group a name. Think of it as labeling a folder on your computer. It helps you stay organized. Determining your target audience is the heart of your campaign. TikTok's audience targeting allows you to define who sees your ads. You can select your audience based on location, age, gender, and other criteria. This step ensures that your ad reaches the people most likely to be interested in what you're offering. Now let's add some personality to your campaign. Choose the TikTok account you want to post your ad under. This is your identity. It's like choosing the right outfit for the occasion. It represents you. It's time to bring your ad to life. Add your ad video or photo. This is the creative essence of your campaign. Your choice of visuals is key to capturing attention and making an impact. With your visuals in place, add your text, title, and description. This is your moment to communicate clearly what you're offering and why it matters. Your words are powerful. Use them wisely. Almost there. Click on Publish All to set your campaign into the TikTok universe. If you encounter any errors, don't panic. These are just signposts guiding you toward creating a successful ad. Adjust accordingly and proceed. Finally, it's time to put your TikTok ads credit to work. Use your credit to fund your campaign, giving it the fuel it needs to reach potential customers and start making an impact. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using your TikTok ads credit from start to finish. Remember, the world of TikTok ads offers a playground of potential for your brand or business. With creativity and strategic planning, you're on your way to achieving your advertising objectives and beyond. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, I hope this tutorial has illuminated your path in the vibrant world of TikTok advertising. Now it's your turn to create, publish, and watch your campaigns flourish. Happy advertising!